I don't know whether you can hear the in the background, but someone's been cutting a tree all day. So you may hear this intro, you may not, but hi, welcome to the video. I'm gonna create Simba from the new Lion King movie in face paint, so I hope you enjoy. Okay, take two, because the lighting wasn't very good, but let's continue. I'm gonna start with the eyes. You need some face paint, so I got a selection, and I'm gonna use I need like a brown colour, basically eyeliner. You can see right now I'm just adding the brown paint at the bottom of the lash line. This essentially looks like eyeliner, and you're going to do this for both eyes. When placing the paint on the inner corner of the eye, you want to create a sort of V shape so that it goes further down, basically to look more like a lion. Whilst underlining the eye with the white paint, you want to basically go up in towards your eyebrow and go around. Whilst underlining the eye in white, you're going to continue this paint up towards the eyebrow, making small little strokes. Repeating the same process for the next eye. Taking the same white paint, you're going to go towards the inner corner of your eye and work up again towards your eyebrow. Doing the same for the second eye, just repeating the same process. Take the white and put it above your eyebrow and across your eyelid. When using the white, add different tones of yellow and beige, just to kind of get more of a sandy effect, as opposed to just a white eyelid. Okay, so now continuing on with the look, you're going to get a more yellow toned white and go down the cheek, making small little strokes to get like a more lined fur-like effect. I've added more yellow here just to get a more lion-like colour. Add shades of brown to add a different tone and line definition. Basically go in small little strokes to get this small little line look. Adding different colours to get different tones and definitions. For the nose, you're going to take a beigey brown orange and just go across, adding bits of white again to define it better. And continue the same process you did before on the other cheek. For the nose, you're going to take your black face paint and you're just going to outline the bottom of it so far. You can go just at the crease of your nose where it meets your cheek and just go underneath. This will make it look a little bit bigger and more like a lion. Take the same black paint and make a line towards your cupid's bow and connect it to the lines across your nose. and fill them in. This doesn't have to look perfect, it's just a messy lion look. What I'm doing now is I'm filling in the outline, and I'm not using black because on the picture Simba's nose is more of a browny pink colour. Now for the lips, I'm using black paint. Unfortunately I had a bit of yellow on the brush which came through, but ideally just use black and just go over your lips in the black paint. And then to get a more lion-like look, make the lines of your lips on the outer corners a bit further and turn them upwards towards your eyes. You're going to make the same line effect as you did for the cheek, using the different colours to get tones, gradients and textures. So add white, brown, yellow, beige, all them colours. And basically just fill in the face. For the finishing touches, you need to create this brown U-like shape above the eyebrows. And that is your finished symbol. Yeah, so use this for Halloween parties, if you're in theatre, I don't know, just if you want to go down to the shops looking like a lion. But yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Thank you, bye!